watch. So God bless you, God bless you. So if you have been watching that video, the part one, and this is the part two. So now we are I am on a 1 hour time frame, on a daily time frame. Now look at that D1, that's daily time frame. So that's daily time frame. Look at it here, daily time frame. So now what you need to do is this. So you are going to go to daily time frame, see the way the market is behaving. If the market is overall downtrend, look at it. If the market is overall downtrend on the daily time frame, look at it, the market is overall downtrend. So then that has given us a sentimental bias that the market is always coming down. So that's sell bias. So we're having the mindset that that we're looking for potential for selling trade. So now because of that, so we don't have anything to do with that. So just go to your, like, let's say just go to your 15 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame. So after you come to this is our 15 minutes time frame. So with this strategy, we don't even need our indicator, but just install that indicator for just for so that anytime you want to make use of it, you can just quickly make use of it. Now when you are in that 15 minutes time frame, what you need to do is that the beginning of the market, the first two candle or the first three candle that begins the market, you are going to mark it out every day. So the first two candle that begins the market, we are marking it out on a 15 minutes time frame. So the first two candle that begin the market, we are marking them out. Let's say I use this my marker now to mark this is the first one candle, the second candle, and the third candle. So let's say I mark those candle out like this. I will mark it from here, the highest of the movement. I mark it up like this, the highest of their movement. So this is the highest of their movement. So when the market breaks above here, I'm going to buy. If the market breaks below here, I'm going to sell. So I will buy here, then I will sell here. So what I mean is this: if the market breaks above the first three candle, look at this candle one, this candle two, this candle three. So look, I will now mark those three candle like this. If the market candle breaks above and closes, if any candle closes above this line like this blue candle here, this blue candle closes above that upper line, I'm going to buy. I will have bought around exactly when it closed above the upper line. So if any candle close below, if any bearish candle close below, then I will sell. So let us now say I have bought around this candle here. I have bought around this candle here. I bought here. Now let's see the market go in my favor. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens to the market. Remember I bought remember that I bought around this zone. Remember I bought around this zone here. So when the market move up, come to this place like this, I will have made those profits. So the market still continue moving up before turning backward. It move in a range. It come here and move in a range. So I will have made profits from all these candle. Now will have been my profit this morning. So if you are taking this strategy, you are expecting to take trade in the night. So because it is in the night around 12 o'clock, those first 15 candle minutes, the first 15 minutes candle will formed in the night. So now that is that about that. Let us backtest it and see. Today now, if you have followed this strategy, you will have made a little profit for today. So let's backtest it and see what happened in the market. Though you also set your stop loss and your take profit. Let me now show you on a live market now how it will look like. Now look at this. This is a 15-minute candle. Let me take you to my drawing board. Just click on this thing. Now click on this, touch your screen, it will bring you this thing. Click on this thing I circled. So after clicking on it, it will bring you like this. Okay, sorry. It will bring you to this place. What you need to do is you just click on this rectangle. Okay, we need horizontal line. We also have rectangle line. So we need rectangle line. You can click on this add button here. Okay, after clicking on that add button, we want to look for our rectangle line. So okay, coming our box rectangle line, and this is it here. This is our box rectangle line. So So just click on it, click that box rectangle line. After clicking on it, so we are going to draw our rectangle line on, look at that now, look at the line I'm drawing now. On that first three candle that form, on the first three candle, do you see what I'm drawing? Do you see what I'm drawing? So look at that now. So the first one candle, is this candle, this candle, and this candle. So just draw your line like that. So there's another way you can do it. You can also use horizontal line. You can also use horizontal line. So anytime the market breaks, look at that. Note that I have circled those box, those candles. I've put those candles inside. Just make sure the first three candles in 15-minute time frame, you cover it. We covered it all. So when the market break above it, we'll have buy. So then I will have bought around this zone. So I will have bought around this zone because this market break above the candle above those boxes, it breaks above it and it closes above it. So I will have bought around that zone. Then my take profit will have been like, I will have been risking something. My stop loss will have been below the candle, below the box like this. So I'll be risking like 1 to 3 reward ratio. So what I'm risking will be 1. I'll be trying to make 3 reward of what I'm risking. If I'm risking $100, I'll be willing to make $300. So I will now set my take profit, my lot size, to what will give me the loss of $100. Let's see, let me put it in 1 and see what will happen. Okay, $60 now. So let me put it in 0.8. So let's see, let's risk $50. 0.0882. Okay, now we're risking, let's risk $50. So this is 50 points. Then I'm risking $50. Look at that, see where I'm risking, see my risk now. I'm risking $50. This is my risk here, $50.33 to make how much? To make $150. Okay, to make $150. So let me show you where I want to see the reward of what I want to make. I'm trying to make $150. Okay, I'll put it here, $150. This is 150. So that if I have taken the trade on Friday like this, I will have win this trade because it hit our take profit. Let me just enter this trade. Though no, let me just enter this trade. I'm just practicing it for you. So I'm just showing you as a practice. So now let me show you something now. Look at something. Let's see, maybe it will hit our take profit or not on that. Let's see, it hit our take profit. See something, it hit our take profit. Look at something here. This strategy is a killer, it's a technical killer. So it hit our take profit. See, we enter the trade around this zone. See, we enter the trade around this zone here. This way we enter the trade around that zone. Look at the box we draw. Then see the box we draw there. Then our stop loss is this zone. Our stop loss is this zone. This is our stop loss. The bottom of the box, this is the box we draw. See the box we draw. The box we draw is there. And then the box is to cover the first three candle, the first 15-minute candle. So after you have covered the first 15-minute candle, so you wait till like around 1 o'clock, or let's say around 2 o'clock before you enter any trade. So or let's say around 1 o'clock before the first 15 minutes, the first 15 minutes, or at maximum the first 15 minutes, which is the first 1 hour of every day. So now, so after you have done that, see our take profit distance. So this is our take profit. Then it hit our take profit around this zone. Let's see where it hit our take profit. It hit our take profit. It hit our take profit around. Okay. It hit our take profit around this zone. Now look at something here. It hit our take profit around this zone. So just look at the way I set it up and the way I am doing it. Go and backtest it. The video will take too long. I can't backtest enough data for you. Just backtest it yourself so that I don't want the video to take too long, because it will take too long. It will be very difficult for me to upload it. Let me see the minutes now. It's already long, safe. Okay, so God bless you. So let me show you one more. Let's see the previous day. So we said we're going to backtest it for take a first three So we say we take a first three candle. We say we mark the first three or a maximum the first four candle. So we are taking our rectangle box again, or you can even use your horizontal line. This is our rectangle box. You can use your horizontal line. Let me use horizontal line because some of you may find it difficult to set up this rectangle box, and it's not that difficult. So what am I using the box to do now? Let me show you what I'm using the box to do. Let me take away this box so that I'll use my horizontal line. Okay, I'll take away the box now. So look at the first three candle. Look at this is the new day now. This is the new day. So this is the new day. This line, this white line now is the new day. This white line that I circled is the new day. So now, so if the new day is not your own chart, DM me. So let me show you how to put it. If the new day is not your own chart, just click on settings like this. Click on this option. After clicking on that option, so go to show period separator. So look at something here. It will say show period separator. This is it. Just click it on here. So after clicking it on, just press back at the top here. So that's all. So the settings, the rectangle line will come up. So now after that, look at this. So this is the new day. So what we want to mark out is the first green candle, the bearish candle, and the second green candle. Our maximum take this four candle, 1 2 3 4. So mark out the high and the low of that first four candle. So after you have marked it out, so it means that you mark it out like this, the high and the low of that four candle. Okay, then this is it, the high and the low of that fourth candle. This is it, mark that four candle. So anytime the market break above it or break below it, you are taking a trade, buy or sell. So that's that about that. So let me now use my horizontal line to mark it out for you. Let me use my horizontal line. So just click this. Let me show you how to set up horizontal line. Go back to this thing here. After that, just click on this line here. This line, it's called horizontal line. So after you have clicking it will just touch any part of your screen. Touch the up there. So it has shown it. That's the line there. This is the line. That's the horizontal line. So now after you have touched it, you can drag it down and up. So you place it at the top of the highest of in that four candle you choose. Put it at the highest. You can even go to 1 hour time frame and do this strategy for 1 hour time frame and mark out the first 1 hour of each day. But 15 minutes time frame is very good. After you mark it off for 15 minutes of every day, because if you want to take your trade, it will help you to be able to take your trades. Okay, go back to the same thing, mark the horizontal line again, touch the bottom of the lowest, and look at something now. If any candle now that closes above or below, any candle now that closes above or below that two red line we draw now, we are going to follow it. Okay, see, look at something here now. So this bearish candle closes below the red line. See, this bearish candle closes below the red line. So we are going to take a sell trade there. We're going to take a sell trade. Sell trade there at around this zone. After taking a sell, when it closed, then we take a sell trade because it closed below the line. This is the line. This is the line, and this is the line. This is the line. Because it closes below, it closes below first before closing above. It didn't close above all the throughout. It now came and closed below. So we are following it. So we take a sell trade. Let's see what happens. If we have taken a sell trade. Let's see what happens. If we have taken a sell trade. Let's see what happens. If we have taken a sell trade. See, then we'll have hit our take profit. See, we'll have make a lot of profit that day. If we have taken our sell trade, let's go back again. So if I've taken our sell trade, don't know why this thing is in like this. Remember I said we are taking our sell trade around this zone. So the market come down, goes up. Your stop loss will be at this line here. why your take profit will be 1 to 3 reward ratio of what you are risking. Okay, let me just take the trade. Let me just take the chart as a practice. For practice, let me just take the trade. Let's say I take a set trade. A set trade when it close, when the new candle is forming. The new sell is kind of like set trade here. Remember, I say my stop loss is around this zone. So this trade will give opportunity at the night. So I'm risking 50. Okay, let me say I'm risking $50. $50 to make. I'm risking $50. I'm risking $50. I'm risking okay, let me say I'm risking $55 to make one to make 180 dollars. Let's say I want to make 140, so $150 is the same to $155. Okay, let me just took that trade like that. I'm just using this for practice. I'll quickly close. Okay, invalid parameter, and there is a reason for that. Let me take it again. It's a set trade I want to take. A set trade like this. Sell. Okay, stop loss will be around this zone and take profit. I'm in today we're in live market now, so I don't want this thing to quickly activate my trade. So let's see what the market later does. Okay, so it comes to this place. Then it will like, if our take profit is around this zone, it will like hit our take profit around this zone. See, it's like hit our take profit around this zone. Got something here, 150. See, it will have hit or take profit around that zone. It will have hit or take profit around that zone. So it will have hit or take profit around this zone here, like this. So it won't say invalid parameter now. I know what happened. No, we are in a live trade, so the market has gone above. So it will have hit or take profit around this. We'll have make profits that Friday, that Thursday also. With this strategy, Friday is a win, Thursday is a win. So backtest this strategy, or watch this video like 3 times and try to backtest it. Your opportunity is coming in the night, so your opportunity to take a trade is coming. You are just delete that line, delete those, touch that line, press it down, and you delete it. So I've deleted it now. This opportunity will be given to you at the night, so you'll be cashing all those moves. Look at this day now, you win this day also. Look at it, you will win this day also, because you will have marked out, you will have marked out your you'll have marked out your first 3 hours candle. So when it breaks below it, you'll have take your set trade here, and look at when it comes down, you'll have made a lot of profit. See, you have made a lot of profit. So this one also, you'll have also win this trade, because you'll have marked out your first 3 candle, which is around this place. When it breaks below, you'll have make a lot of profits. You see. So this strategy is a killer for Nasdaq. So this strategy is a killer for Nasdaq. So you'll have you'll also win this trade here. So you have marked your first 3 candle, 1 2 3. This is it, first 3 candle, or a maximum. I say maximum 4. Just say 4. Just say 4 candle. If you have marked your 4 candle, it will be like this. So then it did not break above, it closed inside. When it come down and break inside again, and it was just ranging. So when it break above around this zone, you'll have take a buy trade here. If you have take a buy trade here, what will have happened to your trade? See, then you will have win the trade, because it buys all over to this place before returning back, and it pick again. It has not touched your stop loss. Your stop loss will be around this zone. It pick again and go up again, and see until this. So you'll have win that trade also. So look at this, you'll have win this one also. Look at that, the first 3 candle here. After it closes, the market now close below, you'll have take a side trade here. The market pull down, you'll have win this trade. So follow this strategy, watch this video over and over and again, learn what I'm doing on this my phone, learn it very well, and if you follow it, mark me, you are going to cash out from forex. So you'll have win this trade, you'll buy here, you'll have win this trade. Mark me, you are going to be cashing out from forex. So God bless you in Jesus' name. Look at this strategy. Look at this one. So after you have marked it, for it breaks below, you'll have take a side trade. You win this trade again. You win this trade. You just be winning every day. You just be winning. Just be winning. Just be winning it. So you don't have anything to fear. You don't have anything to fear. Just after it break, anywhere it breaks to, so you have marked your first three trade. So it didn't breaks above. It's still in that region. So it breaks below here. So you'll have take a side trade and win this whole lot. Then when it pulls up again, okay, it pulls up and come down. So that's that ever that. Look at this one. This one is a very good win. A very good win. You'll have marked out your first three candle. Okay, this is it. Mark out your first three candle like this. You'll have marked out your first three candle. This is your first three candle here like this. So after the market breaks above it here, you'll have bought here. After you buy there, let's see what happen. You remember you bought here, the market goes like this, so you'll have win this move. So that's how to win US 100 every day, and you just be profitable. Look at this trade here. This one somehow tricky. This is the candle and the market range, and it breaks below. It breaks below. This is the range. Okay, this is the range, and it breaks below. You'll have taken a sell trade here. It later pulls up, and pulls up, and it didn't hit your stop loss. So remember, it didn't hit your stop loss, and it come give you this spike. This spike will have give you your take profit. You will have win the market here. So then later pulls up again. Later pulls up again, and you will have win it. If you follow it again, you will have win it again. So this is a very beautiful strategy that will give you daily win. So that's enough. That's enough. God bless you. Look at this day again, say win again. So thank you so much. God bless you. So watch this video over and over again, learn it and make profit from trading. So God bless you. Take care.